In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Salesforce Web-to-Lead form. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of setting up your form in Salesforce, making it easy for you to collect and manage leads directly from your website. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're on the Salesforce homepage by navigating to the familiar dashboard where all the magic begins. Once you're there, locate the settings icon, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking on this will give you access to a host of configuration options. Next, click on Open Advanced Setup. Here's where the setup really starts. So take a moment to let all that information load. You'll see a variety of options that might look overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're going to walk you through them. In the search bar, type the word Web. This will efficiently filter the setup menu to show only the options you need right now, saving you time and helping you stay focused. From the results, click on Web-to-Lead. This is the dedicated section within Salesforce where you'll be crafting your form. Now, once you're in the Web-to-Lead settings, look for the option to create Web-to-Lead form. Selecting this will take you to a new interface where you can start building your form from scratch. This is where things get creative, so prepare to customize according to your needs. Here, you'll see two key panels, Available Fields and Selected Fields. The Available Fields section lists all the default fields provided by Salesforce. You can add fields that are most relevant to your needs by moving them to the Selected Fields panel. This custom selection process allows you to tailor the form precisely to capture the information crucial for your business. Once you have chosen your desired fields, look for the section marked Return URL. Enter the URL you want users to be redirected to after they've submitted their information on the form. This can be a thank you page or another relevant page on your website that encourages further interaction. An additional step, if you choose to use it, involves using a reCAPTCHA. This adds an extra security layer to your form by requiring users to verify they are human. Here you'll need to enter your reCAPTCHA API key pair, which helps protect your website from spam and abuse. Finally, once all fields are selected and settings are in place, click Generate. This will provide you with the HTML code for the form, which you can then embed on your website. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have successfully created a Salesforce Web-to-Lead form. This integration is a powerful tool for collecting and managing leads directly from your website. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.